Okay, this is the day afterwards, the cutting and all the crap, the styling of the flat iron, all of that good stuff. Go ahead, turn it around. This is the back. Okay, guys, see the back? This is it. Let's go ahead and move out this out the way. Okay, this is the day afterwards. Okay. Alright, my end visit. Check out the end visit. Okay, this is the day afterwards, all the cutting. Turn around. The back. Oh yeah, check that out. Turn around this way. Alright, look at that, you guys. The girl's a beast. They did all this with the cap on. So, this is the day afterwards. Say bye, Lede.
Bye.